Yeah, I'm out here in this motherfucking blizzard. Shout out to my brother, Tony Blizzard. That's what we do. We out here. I'm mobbing. Deep as fuck out here. You see this shit? Shit come up to my motherfucking waist. This shit still ain't stopped snowing yet. It's blizzard season, bitch. I'm out here though. You know what I mean? We out here geeking for real. I don't give a fuck. Couldn't stay in the house all day, you know what I mean? Cause when I go back in, it's a wrap. But yeah, niggas got the little snow plows out here. That shit ain't doing shit for real. They trying to plow this snow out the way. That shit ain't moving. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck you think he doing with that shit? Nothing at all. Tony, boom. You know what it is, brody. Aces up all day. You feel me? I'm out here, nigga. Holding it down up in York, PA, nigga. Nigga, fuck wrong with niggas, man.